This is a compressor demonstration on a working desktop model of a turbofan jet engine, complete with an air start and the working compressor. I have a tachometer hooked up to it. The APU box, the start box, is over here. It has an air compressor in it, so I kind of keep it separated so it's not noisy on the phone. So here's the air start, and then here's the ignition. And we'll see the difference in the RPMs. Turn that on, push that under there so it's quieter. Okay, get this in there. And there we go. So you go about 550 to 600 RPM. I'll let that get up there to speed. Okay. About somewhere in the 650, somewhere in there, I think is when it stops. That's your top speed of the air start. Okay, right about there. Let's see, 660. Yeah. All right, now we'll fire it off. Watch the increase. Here we go. There we go. All right. I am the fuel control, so you gotta eat slowly. We have a flame out. There's no computer or nothing. There it is. So we're more than double the speed. You can see the gauge for more on that. That's about it. Okay, so 1370. Okay. We'll shut it off now. Let's see the difference. There. All right. See, it drops down pretty quick. It's not exactly what I wanted to do. Let me do it this way here. Start it back up.